law student and you're struggling with application style questions, that's those questions where they want you to apply the law to a particular thing, keep watching because we're going to give you some tips on how to deal with this. Step 1 is to read the question really carefully. What are they asking you? What kind of law are they looking at for you to apply here? And what kind of issues might be relevant? Get a highlighter out, make sure you're going through the key elements of the question so that you know what you're going to answer straight away. Step 2 is to use the IRAC structure to your answers. So that's IRAC. What that stands for is issue, rule, application, conclusion. Let's look at each of those in turn. So step 1 is to identify the legal issue. So let's say in this case, the legal issue is that Bob has stolen from a shop. Now we need to work out what the relevant rule is here. What's wrong with Bob stealing from the shop? So in this case, our rule is going to be probably theft. So we're going to be looking at the legal definition of theft. So you need to look at the relevant legislation. So let's say that's the Theft Act of 1968 in this case, and make sure that you have identified that. Now you need to work out, okay, well, has Bob committed theft? I need to apply my knowledge to the scenario. So you need to take the rule that you've got and you need to apply that to Bob's specific scenario. So has he committed all the different elements of theft? And if he has, then he's likely to be guilty of that. So that will be when you bring that conclusion in. So you state your issue, then the rule, then you apply it, and then you conclude. Then you do this forever and ever and ever, depending on how many legal issues there are in the question. We hope you found this helpful for answering those difficult to answer application questions. Let us know in the comments if you've got any tips of things that have worked really well for you in the past.